Hello, my name is Eddie McDonald and I'm a chef at Donald Russell. And I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect steak burger in 4 easy steps so you can cook with confidence. To prepare, take the defrosted burgers from the fridge approximately 20 minutes before you want to start cooking, just to let them come to room temperature and come back to a more natural colour, which we call blooming in the trade. It's important to get a high heat into this pan to create that initial sear. You'll hear the sizzle, and that's the start point of building up that caramelisation. The brown crust on the outside, and they'll stay moist and juicy on the inside. So I'm using a heavy base pan because that has a good heat distribution and also maintains heat. All I have to do is pat the burger dry, just to remove any extra moisture. And then I'm going to lightly brush it with oil. I'm going to use a sunflower oil because it can withstand the high heat. And also it's not too strong so it doesn't spoil the beefy flavour. Now I'm going to put a small indentation into the burger just to help maintain its shape while it cooks. Then I've just to add it to the pan. You want to hear the sear. So just lightly press it so you're getting a good contact in the whole surface area so you get a nice even brown colour. That's all I have to do at this stage. We'll just let it cook there for approximately 4.5 minutes. We'll flip it 4.5 minutes the other side and then we'll take it off to rest. As you're searing the first side, take the time to oil the second side so you're ready to flip. You may have noticed I've not added salted pepper pre-cooking. We'll do this after, once we've finished the cooking. We don't add it early because the salt will pull moisture from the burger and that's what you're working hard to keep in. Now you just need to flip the burger, just gently. Give it a light press again, not too much because you don't want to squeeze out any juices. And there you go, nicely caramelised. Now no poking, no prodding, we just let it do its thing for another 4.5 minutes. This ribeye steak burger is part of our gourmet range. It's made with 100% pure grass-fed ribeye beef, so no ordinary burger. Now that the burger has finished cooking on the opposite side, lift it gently and place it on a wire rack to rest. Resting is going to allow the juices to recirculate within the burger and keep it nice and moist. The heat within it will also finish cooking. You could rest it here, just wrapped in tin foil, but my preference is a low oven, approximately 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, where it will keep warm without overcooking. The principle on the burger is to sear fast and rest long. We really don't want you to overcook our pure steak burgers, but please do ensure they're cooked through before you tuck in. Now that your ribeye steak burger is well rested, all you have to do is finish it. Again, I like it quite simple. So I'm just going to use a little bit of mustard mayo. Place your rested burger on top. Season, a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of cracked pepper. I'm going to top this just with some fresh tomato slices and a little bit of crisp salad leaves. And there you have it, the perfect ribeye steak burger.